What's good, YouTube? We're back today with another video and telling you how to make bread, as you can tell by the title, and it's going to be e-money. So you don't even have to leave your house and do it. You can do it from your own bed, bro. I don't want to waste much time getting into this, so let's just go straight into it. So let's give you a perspective of mine. Probably not that long ago, I had about 0% of money in my account. Now with this one method, I'm probably making around £100 daily. So yeah, it's a good start away just to make a bit of bread, and then obviously elevate yourself from there into different opportunities. So yeah, I'm going to give you the method on how I've done it. And you all know the app. It's probably the biggest app at the moment, and it's TikTok. But it's got a little twist to it. So yeah, I'm going to tell you how to do that shit. Let's just hope TikTok doesn't get banned in America, because if it does, you lot are missing out on a lot of opportunities and a lot of ways to make bread. So just let's hope Donald Trump don't do that shit for you lot, and let's just get into how we're going to make this money then. So starts with the TikTok shop. The TikTok shop is amazing, man, because you get a commission on each sale you do. So it's basically people give you a product, and then you advertise that product for them, and you get a commission based on what you sell. And bro, it's easy as fuck. Like, I'll be real, because TikTok nowadays is just so easy to get views. You can just make a little short video. You don't have to show your face. You can just post like photos and put it into a slideshow, put like a popular sound on it, and then yeah, you get a few sales on promoting the product. One thing I would recommend though is find your niche to grow. You can't be promoting a load of different things that are just nothing alike. You got to find your niche and stick to it. So for example, if you want to sell like fashion items, you stick to that. You want to sell electronics, you stick to that, or whatever. One requirement that you do need though is you need 1,000 followers. So what I would say is just make some like short, sweet, but you know that it's going to get views content, and just watch your account grow quick. Because like I just said, it's so easy to grow on TikTok nowadays, because bro, everyone's just doom scrolling, buying shit and whatever. So you want to be the one making the money on there. You don't want to be consuming. You want to be the seller. You want to be making that bread on that shit, bro. Because TikTok's the wave nowadays. Let's be real. Everyone's on that shit. You don't know someone who's not on TikTok. Let's be real. So there's two versions to the TikTok shop. There's TikTok shop creator and TikTok shop seller. So TikTok shop creator is what I've just told you. You sell someone else's product for a commission. That's what it is, TikTok shop creator. But TikTok shop seller is it's your own product and you're selling your own shit. So you're basically making all the money on that. So it's basically drop shipping, but on TikTok. So it's way better than doing it on like Shopify or whatever and buying ads and then trying to get people on your website when your website don't even look that good. But on the TikTok shop creator, you have it all on your page. You're making content for it. So yeah, just way easier on TikTok than doing it on Shopify, because TikTok shop is the new wave, bro. I'm telling you lot, TikTok shop is the new fucking wave to make money nowadays. But I ain't even got into the drop shipping shit yet, but that's the new one. That's what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, I'm probably going to make a video on how to do the TikTok shop drop shipping, because it's just a crazy opportunity to get into. And I'm going to learn myself, and I'm going to teach you lot how to do it, and I'm going to share the results, because I just think it's just a market that hasn't been fully, fully reached out to yet, because there's just so much money to be made on that shit. I can't even lie. Like, I see the vision for it. I literally see the vision for the TikTok shop. I think that's going to be the new Amazon, where you can buy, sell shit, man. Just crazy, the opportunity, how no one hasn't even realised it yet. If any of you are struggling like with what products to promote on there, on the TikTok shop creator, just drop a comment and I'll put you lot onto free game. I'll be real, because I just want to see all of us win. I don't want to be the only one winning. I want to see all of us win. I want to see all of us making bread. I want to see all of us buy nice cars. Like, just make it out. Can't lie. That's why I'm doing YouTube. I want to see all of us make it out. So if you've made it this far, thanks for watching the full video and helping me out, and I'm trying to help you lot out, so goes both ways. So if you want to drop a follow, a like, and I'll be putting you lot onto some more game to make you money. Just shout me or whatever in the comments. I'll do whatever to help you out. You know that I'm here for my subscribers. Let's get it. Let's make that bread. Peace out.